Hello everyone, so in this session I'll just show you how to activate the real view graphics if you are using without any certified graphics. As you could see here, there is no option of real view, and in the display it is grayed out, right? The real graphics. So now in this case what we need to do is, so you need to go to Windows Run. So you need to search for Rigidit. Okay, go to Windows plus R, run. Now type Rigidit, REGEDIT. Once you do that, you need to go to current user. From there select software and then go to SolidWorks and which version you are using. So right now I am using 2021. I'll just select that. Okay, once you do that, from there you need to go to performance and over there the graphics and hardware, right? So at last you need to go with this one, G2 shaders. Over there you need to select your graphics card. So these are already free made graphics here. So my current graphics is this one. Okay, you need to copy this one. So just double click on render, okay, and copy this, Control C or copy, and go to the graphics over there, shaders, right? So from there you just select which graphics card you want. So these all are certified one, so whichever you want you can select. So let's say if you are using NVIDIA Quadro series M1000, 2000 like this. So right now I'll just deal with this one, Quadro 6000. So I'll just rename it and I'll paste it, Control P, whatever thing you have copied from there, current, right? So just do this much. So that's all. Now your current graphics card will access all the Quadro 6000 properties. So that's all. So now you need to close your SolidWorks first. If you directly go ahead, it won't activate, so you need to restart it. So close it and restart again. Once you restart, just open it. As you could see, once you open your assembly, you get to know the difference between the previous one and now. I'll rebuild it. Now you can see at the bottom there is mirror, right? So in the pane also you could see there it's got activated. So I'll just open this particular component so that you can clearly understand how exactly it is dealing with, right? So here I'll apply the material. So let's say I'll go ahead and I'll apply the material brass, okay? And now once you apply the material, you can see the changes, right? So this is how you can make the uncertified graphics to activate real view graphics. Thank you all, stay tuned.